apple pie.
No, cottage pie.
No, but I need that much in the camera. I need the potatoes. Is it recording? Like and follow and comment if you liked it. Are you ready? Hi, my name is Jessica and today I'm going to be making cottage pie, one of my favourite meals. So you're going to cut up 1 onion. I've already done that, and cut up 2 carrots. So we couldn't get lamb, so we've got beef. Shepherd's pie is with the lamb and cottage pie is with the beef. So it's going to be cottage pie. So it takes over an hour to make this. That's why I always make it at the weekends. And it also freezes really well. Now that's done, I'm just going to sprinkle some oil on my pan. I'm going to cook it until the vegetables are soft. So an easier way to chop the vegetables and onions, I put them in the blender and then pulse it. Now that the vegetables are soft, I'm going to add in my mince. Pop it in. I'm going to break it up. This is hard, going all over the place. And now I'm going to stir it until it's brown. So my cousin lives in America and he loves shepherd's pie. His name is Christopher, and every time he comes over to Ireland, he's like, can we have shepherd's pie? That's basically all he wants in Ireland. It takes so long to mix it. So now that's cooked enough, it's all brown mostly. And now I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir, stir, stir. Put in my 350 grams of beef stock. 1 tablespoon of thyme. So now that my mince is cooking, I'm gonna be making my mashed potatoes. So I'm just gonna cut them in half. So I've already peeled the potatoes. It's stuck. So the safest way to put them in boiling water is to put it on a slotted spoon, dab in there. When all the potatoes are in the water, you're gonna cook it until they're soft like the carrots. So now that my potatoes are ready, I've already drained them. I'm gonna put some milk into them, a little bit of milk, maybe a tiny bit more. Here we go. And then I'm gonna put some butter in as well, mash it up. Why is that so hard? This is like a workout. I think I need more milk. Oh, that's much easier with the milk. So now I'm gonna add my peas to my mince. Stir, stir, stir. I'm gonna pour the mince. So out of all the meals I love, this is probably one of my top favorites. My nanny makes the best shepherd's pie. Now you're going to add in your mashed potato, small spoons at a time, so you can spread it out. With a big spoon. You're going to flatten it at the end with a fork, maybe a spoon, your choice. It makes a really nice taste if you put some cheese on top. You don't have to, but it's actually really nice with it. So now you're going to put it into the oven at 180 degrees and cook for 30 minutes. So this is the results. If you want more, go to my YouTube channel, Cooking with Jessica, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the like and follow. Bye!